it turns out Google is prototyping their very own foldable display smartphone. This was on Mobile Syrup that I read this. And because, Google I/O just happened, and Google has detailed Android Q, the next version. And in an interview with CNET ahead of the start of I/O, Pixel chief Mario Quiroz revealed Google's interest in foldable smartphones isn't limited to software support. He says, "We're definitely prototyping the technology. We've been doing it for a long time." But then he critically added, "I don't think there's a clear use case yet." Oh, that's what you just highlighted. See, we're thinking same spot. While Google understands that foldable displays are aimed at users that want a larger screen to view content, it's still difficult to convince people they really need a foldable smartphone. He's saying the killer app is not out yet. That compelling moment in which a user or potential user looks at this thing and says, you know what, I need it. But of course, Google, the makers of Android, they're responsible, in a way, for the software experience or the potential software experience of any folding device that happens to run Android in the background. And so them being interested or involved is meaningful, not just from the standpoint of a potentially foldable Pixel, but also what that might mean for other foldable devices and how seamless the transition is from the stock single screen Android experience to the unfolded version. So it's inside of Pixel software or Android software and potentially could make its way into a dedicated foldable device. But Google's in no rush. So that should tell you something about the state of the technology right now. Google themselves, no rush to the foldable display situation.